Well, it's not the best light, but hey, maybe you can see me here. It is 11:30. Well, 11:21, might as well be 11:30. The line to the residence was replaced, as you saw in the last video, and it was at 3 something, like 352, 350 something, when it was actually back online, and it has not dropped out since. So I do believe, very confident, that the issues is fixed. Don't know if it was the modem or not, because the modem was never online with the new wire. The line dropped from the pole at the street to the residence. So the modem that they changed out may still be good, because it was still on the bad wire. But I'm glad they changed it out anyway, because the modem I had, the maximum speed they can give me was 400. The one they swapped it out for can give me 1 gig. So overall, you know, faster modem, new wire, all good. So we'll monitor it and see how this goes, and see if I wake up in the morning and have a great cup of coffee and look at it and see that it has not dropped out for any reason. Now, it may drop out if there's a firmware update, but drop out as the internet, hopefully it will not. But I'm going to the house. There's food there waiting on me, fresh pot of coffee. So I'm heading to the house. But we'll keep you updated if there's anything that happens further on the backhaul itself at this location. And if it's good in the morning, I got another site I got to go look at. See if I can take you along the ride for that one. And I looked at all RV parks. I typed on Google RV park near me, and then I started putting stars on each one of them, so I have the address, so I can get in the vehicle and just start going and present the business. They're going to say yes, they're going to say no, and I move on, whichever it may be. See how many more RV parks we can get, and mobile home parks too. There is plenty of them out here, and a lot of them has no trees, so that's a plus. But that's what I got planned. If I get up in the morning and there's no dropouts, get me some coffee, and I'm gonna start calling people and getting them lined up and ready, confirm them, put them on books of a date and time, and then next week, start next Monday, start installing. I got a big old package coming in tomorrow, some more radios and APs and J-poles. Getting ready to get real busy and real fast. I'll see you in the next video.